Hello friends. Welcome my YouTube channel. Today I create sliced text effect in Adobe Photoshop. Create new document. Rename the project and change units to pixels. Then type document size and click Create button. Now go to View menu and click Fit on Screen. First you create solid color layer. Go to Type tool and type some text like this. Now text aligned to canvas vertically and horizontally. Then go to Polygonal Lasso Tool and draw selection area like this. Now select text layer and add layer mask. Select text layer again. Go to Layer menu and click Duplicate Layer option. Rename new layer and click OK. Select this layer mask and press Ctrl+I to invert the selection. Now go to Move tool and move the layer like this. Then create a new layer. Now click Invert Layer Mask by holding Ctrl key. Go to Brush tool and change brush opacity. Now draw like this. Then deselect the selection. Okay friends. Thanks for watching Multimedia Guider YouTube channel and don't forget subscribe my channel.